Hi everyone, welcome back to Java 1 for All. In this video, we're going to talk about the factory pattern. So the factory pattern basically is a way for you to hide the creation logic of a specific object from the client. And instead of using the constructor, you just use a regular method. So for example, let's imagine here that we would like to create currencies based on countries. So here at the domain, let's create here a enumeration. Let's call country, and we are going to add two countries. One will be Brazil and another one will be United States. So with this country, I'm going to create now an interface and we'll call it currency, and this will have only one method called string get symbol, and I will create here a class called real, implements currency, and then provide the get symbol. The symbol for real is like this, and we can do the same for US dollar. Implements currency. Implements the get symbol, and let's just return the dollar sign. Okay, so I have several currencies and I would like to hide the business logic of how these objects are being created. So I'm going to create another class and I will call it CurrencyFactory. So CurrencyFactory will have a public static currency, that's the object we are trying to create, new currency. So usually the factory methods, they are static. And here you do your own business logic. So for example, I want to create the currency based on and then something. In this case, let's ask for a country. So based on the country, switch country, case USA, return new US dollar. And then case Brazil, return a new real. And default, in case we don't have the country, throw new illegal argument exception. No currency for the given country. Control Alt L. So the way we are creating the currency doesn't matter for who, for whoever is calling. In this case, if we create here a class called CurrencyFactory test 01, we would like to create typo Shift F6 factory. So I want a currency and I have a country, so I will call CurrencyFactory and then new currency. Of course, I have to take care of a couple of things. For example, you would need to hide the constructor of the currencies, but the idea here is that I'm going to get a new currency based on, and I can give here any country, for example, Brazil. And then I have the currency object, and I can get, for example, the symbol. So how is the currency created? Doesn't matter for the CurrencyFactory test. I can change the business logic that it will not affect the way we are getting the currency back. As long as, of course, I don't break the contract, that is the signature, everything should work perfectly fine. So for example, if I want to change, I don't want a switch, I would like to use if. It doesn't matter for whoever is calling. So the business logic is changing, but the object creation continues the same. Of course, we could also add more countries here to this list. So that's the factory pattern. I hope you enjoyed. Let's continue in the next video. Bye.